Bird is the word with the new 2023 Jeep Compass Trailhawk. This thing is awesome. First of all, we've got Trailhawk graphics on the hood. We also have a 2-liter turbocharged engine underneath the hood, which means 31 miles per gallon highway. 17-inch gloss black wheels wrapped in Falcons. Oh yeah. Inside, well, outside she's bright white. Inside, it's black, but with that ruby red trim of the Trailhawk. Different drive modes, console auto shift, all of our climate control, 10.1-inch screen with Uconnect, and also plenty of apps for Android and Apple, traditional gauge cluster, and a digital driver information station. 6 speakers all the way around, seating for 5, 12-volt power, rear connectivity, and air for our rear passengers, whole lots of headroom, and big floor mats throughout. And of course, we can fold down that second row, and we have a whole lot more room back here with cargo. Plus, we do have our spare tire and tire change kit, big huge red tow hooks on the back, and we are ready for adventure with the all-new 2023 Jeep Compass Trailhawk 4x4. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.